How to use a compass to bisect a line. This construction uses the principle that the radii of circles are all equal to one another. So we start with a given line. Notice that the line is approximately 4 inches long. We're going to bisect it. To bisect something means to cut it in two. In order to bisect the line with a compass, we take the pointy end, the center end, place it at one end of our line. We expand the limbs of the compass to be sure that the compass limbs are stretching more than half of the line's length. So we just want to be sure that the compass is wide enough that the distance from the pointy end to the stylus end looks like more than half of this line. So then we're going to draw an arc, or rather a semicircle, from the top of the line to the bottom of the line. Again, we keep the pointy end of the compass fixed in one place, and we sweep the stylus end around to create the arc. So we make an arc from one end of the line, then we lift the compass, place the pointy end on the other. Keeping the limbs at the same distance or radius, we make arcs which sweep across or intersect the first arc that we made. So we get two smaller arcs, or another semicircle if you wish. Again, we placed the pointy end of the compass at each end of our line, and we kept the radius of the circles equal, so that the radius of this circle is equal to the radius of these arcs. Now, place 2 points at the points where the arcs intersect with one another, like so. And then take a straight edge, or ruler, and connect those 2 points carefully. Again, be sure you're placing your ruler right beside the dot, not on top of it, not too far away from it. Connect those 2 points. And now you have a line which bisects this line, bisects or cuts into this line. Let's measure it and see. Notice again that the bisected section is about 2 inches. That is half of the line that we started with.